Good morning, students. Welcome once again to my English classes. Today we are going to begin with the lesson Evans Tries an O Level by Colin Dexter. This chapter has been taken from your textbook Vistas. If we talk about the author, Norman Colin Dexter, he was born on 29 September 1930. He was an English crime author who used to live in Oxford. He was known for his Inspector Morse series of novels which were written between 1975 and 1999 and adapted as an ITV television series Inspector Morse from 1987 to 2000. He won many awards for his novels and in 1997 was presented with the CWA for outstanding services to crime literature. His characters have spawned a sequel series, Louis, and a prequel series, Endeavour. In 1996, Dexter received a Macavity Award for his short story Evans Tries an O Level. In 1980, he was elected a member of the by invitation only detection club. In 2005, Dexter became a fellow by special election of St. Cross College. Students, now something about the chapter. This chapter is about James Roderick Evans. James Roderick Evans is a young prisoner in Oxford jail. He is appearing for an O-level German examination. He is not interested in the language. His appearing in the examination is actually his plan to escape from the prison. The lesson is interesting. The prison officials take all the possible precautions, but still Evans escapes right under their noses. So now, students, you can see the page number 70 of your textbook. All precautions have been taken to see it that the O-level German examination arranged in the prison for Evans does not provide him with any means of escape. So, these lines states that the prisoner Evans was going to have his O-level German language examination and all the members of the prison, or you can say all the staff of the prison, was taking great care about it so that Evans does not provide with any means of escape. He should not leave the jail. He should not escape from the jail from any of the means. It was in early March when the Secretary of the Examinations Board received the call from Oxford prison. It's a slightly unusual request, Governor, but I don't see why we should not try to help. Just one fellow, you say. That's it. Chap called Evans started night classes in O-level German last September. Says he has dead keen to get some sort of academic qualification. Is he any good? He was the only one in the class, so you can say he has had individual tuition all the time. Really would have cost him a packet if he had been outside. Well, let's give him a chance, shall we? That's jolly kind of you. What exactly the procedure now? So, when this lesson begins, it was the month of March. In the month of March, the story opens. The governor of Oxford Prison. Oxford Prison is the place where Evan is there. Okay. He is the prisoner there in the Oxford jail. So the governor of Oxford Prison telephones the secretary of the examination board with an unusual request. So when the governor calls the secretary of the examination board, he had an request which was unusual, and I don't see why we should not try to help. And he says to the secretary that one of the inmates means the prisoner, inmates word is used here for the prisoner. And who was the prisoner here? James Roderick Evans. It was the full name of Evans. So governor is telling to the secretary that James Roderick Evans wishes to appear for the O-level German examination. On listening these words, secretary asked, is he any good? So the governor answers, he was the only one in the class, so you can say he has had individual tuition all the time. He was the only student in the class who was studying, so you can say it was his class also, it was his tuition also all the time. So he would clear up the examination. So well, let's give him a chance, shall we? So here the governor is requesting the secretary for giving a chance to the Evans for appearing in the examinations. That's jolly kind of you. What exactly the procedure now? Now the governor is asking for the procedure from the secretary. Oh, don't worry about that. I will be sending you all the forms and stuff. What's his name? You say Evans. So on asking the procedure, secretary replies that the governor should not take tension about it. He will send all the forms and stuff which would be needed for the O-level examination of German, which has to be given by Evans. Then he asks about Evans, that what is the name of the inmate. At that time, governor says that James Roderick Evans. It sounded rather grand. Just one thing, governor, he has not a violent sort of fellow, is he? I don't want to know his criminal record or anything like that, but no, there's no record of violence. Quite a pleasant sort of chap, they tell me. Bit of a card, really. One of the stars at the Christmas concert imitations. You know the sort of thing. Mike Yarwood stuff. No, he has just a congenital kleptomaniac. That's all. The governor was tempted to add something else, but he thought better of it. He would look after that particular side of things himself. So now the secretary is inquiring about that inmate whose name was Evans. He wanted to know whether is there any record of violence against him. So the governor informs him that there is no record of violence against him, and in fact Evans is a pleasant and fun-loving person, and he is an expert at the art of imitation, and that art of imitation makes him a star at the Christmas concerts. So whenever Christmas concerts are taking place in the prison, Evans remain a star of the evening. Then further, the governor adds that he was just a kleptomaniac. Kleptomaniac is a person who is having a habit of stealing. So here also the Ivan was kleptomaniac, means he was having a habit of stealing the things. The governor was tempted to add something else, but he thought better of it. he would look after that particular side of things himself. Further, governor wanted to tell something, but then he stopped that it's not good to say all the things to the secretary. Presumably, said the secretary, you can arrange a room where no problem. He is in a cell on his own. If you have no objection, he can sit the exam in there. That's fine. Okay, so the secretary is having a discussion with the governor that where this inmate, means that prisoner Ivan, will give the examination. Is there any proper cell? सेल क्या होता है? सेल इज़ अ प्लेस जहाँ पे कैदियों को रखा जाता है, ठीक है. तो ही आस्क कि वहाँ पे कोई ऐसा प्रॉपर सेल है, कोई ऐसी जेल है जहाँ पे कमरा है जहाँ पे कि इवांस जो है ये बैठ के एग्ज़ाम देगा. If you have no objections, he can sit the exam in there. On listening these words, governor says that no need of it. He is having his own personal cell where he is being prisoned, so he can give the exam in that particular cell also, in that particular prison also. That's fine. Listening these words, secretary says that okay, no problem, the Ivan can give the exam in that cell of his own.